Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to apply face tracking in Capcut on your PC. Let's begin by navigating to Capcut on your PC and opening the application. Once Capcut is open, start a new project. Now, we need a video to apply face tracking to. Navigate to the Media tab and click on Import. Select the video you want to use from your PC and click Open. Drag the imported video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen and adjust its length as needed. To apply face tracking, from the top right side, locate the Tracking feature. If you don't find it immediately, you can make a copy of the original video by copying and pasting it onto a new track. Once the video is in position, find the Tracking option again in the top right corner of the screen. Once you find, click on Tracking to open the tracking settings, choose Motion Tracking from the menu, select the direction of the tracking or adjust other settings if necessary. Drag the yellow tracking icon onto the face in the video to apply the tracking. Ensure it's positioned correctly over the face. Click on Start to begin the tracking process. It will only take a few seconds to apply the tracking, but it may take longer for larger files. After the tracking is applied, adjust the copied video in the Preview tab to ensure it's correctly positioned. Now, preview the video to see the applied tracking effect. And that's it. This is how you can apply face tracking to a video in Capcut on your PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.